Hello, it's Thursday, April 7th, and I'm Lee Stone with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar weakened against the other major currencies after better-than-expected data came out from the other major countries. This and strong expectations that the ECB will increase the interest rate in the Eurozone led investors to prefer higher-yielding assets. The Nasdaq and Dow Jones strengthened by 0.31% and 0.27% respectively. Crude oil rose by 0.5% and closed at $108.83 a barrel. Gold increased by 0.4% during the session, climbing to a new historic record of $1,467. In the end, gold fell back a little and closed at $1,458 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected to decrease from 388,000 to 385,000. The euro advanced to its highest level in more than 14 months against the dollar on speculation that the European Central Bank will increase the interest rate by 0.25% tomorrow, or today I should say. The euro USD's momentum has been very bullish over the last few days, and as long as the pair is trading above 142.50 levels and above the 10 moving average on the daily chart, the trend continues to be positive for the euro. Overall, Euro USD traded with a low of 142.28 and with a high of 143.49. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to rise from 1% to 1.25%, and there will also be an ECB press conference. The pound weakened against the euro and fluctuated versus the dollar after a report showed that UK manufacturing growth unexpectedly stalled in February, 0% versus 0.6% that was forecast. This fueled speculation that the Bank of England will keep interest rates lower for longer. The GBP USD's resistance is at 164 on the daily chart, and if the pair breaks above this level, the pound will continue to rise. Overall, GBP USD traded with a low of 162.57 and with a high of 163.63. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to remain unchanged at 0.5%. The yen slumped against all of the major currencies on the bets that the Bank of Japan will expand economic stimulus and keep the interest rate unchanged as the nation recovers from its worst earthquake on record. As long as the USD JPY is trading above the 84 level, the trend is very bullish and a long position is preferred. Overall, USD JPY traded with a low of 84.84 and with a high of 85.52. Today, there will be a Bank of Japan press conference. The Canadian dollar rose to the strongest level in more than 3 years against the dollar as commodities gained amid speculation about faster economic growth and inflation. In addition, the IVPMI came out better than expected at 73.2 versus 65.1 forecast, drifting the Canadian as well. As long as USD CAD is trading below 0.97, the Canadian dollar is more attractive and the momentum is very bearish. The next support level on the 4-hour chart is located at 0.9570. Overall, USD CAD traded with a low of 0.9568 and with a high of 0.9640. Today, building permits are expected to become positive from minus 5.1% to 2.1%. Well, that's it for me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, and secure trading.